You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Indian name pronunciation: male, boy name. For more confusing correct pronunciations of Indian names, make sure to stay tuned. Some may pronounce it as Srinivas, but the most common pronunciation is not Shri, but Sri. Srinivas, Srinivas, or in English, Srinivas, Srinivas or Srinivas. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.